Okay, this is just right after the water sample puzzle, and this is how to get the rocket launcher on Resident Evil 3 Nemesis. First, you need to go activate the facility key downstairs beside that machine where you check the water sample. Go back in this room, and you remember this machine you left right here with the ultraviolet rays and water? You can stick a plastic card in it. The thing that you stick in it is the key with the card at the end of it. After that, then it'll say facility key again, but it'll have a card on it especially made for the rocket launcher elevator. Now I'm going to skip that scene. Okay guys, we're there right after the boss fight scene in that timed room. After you get the umbrella card in there, you use it on the elevator inside the steam room. But you'll also need the key with the card on the end of it. After you put the umbrella card in the elevator, you go down the elevator and you open up the locker with the key with the card at the end of it. Then voila guys, you have the rocket launcher. Have fun defeating the last boss really easy.